What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be Choppin, back with another video. Check it out. And on this video, we're actually gonna be talking about the new ES6 Blade for Gamma and Stylecraft. Let's get it. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be talking about this new blade here from ES6, the ES6 Blade, modified for Gamma and Stylecraft tools. I guess it's basically like a collab because Gamma and Stylecraft actually sent me this. So I'm going to read some of the stuff on the back for y'all. As you can see, it says diamond lapped, triple honed sharpest settings, heat dissipating design, features a modified T-wide blade, diamond lap deep tooth cutter blade, hand sharpened and polished, perfectly balanced, micro gap ready. So you can micro gap it. I guess that just means like zero gap it a little closer. However, I was gonna open this up for y'all, but I put the blade on my clipper and I left the clipper at the barbershop. I know. That's like content creator mistake number one, right? But y'all know I got a couple clips of me using the blade in my video, so y'all be able to see the blade here in a little bit, and I'll see if I can find a picture of the blade and post it on the screen for y'all. However, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe one time for the one time, comment down below, share with your friends, you know what I'm saying, like all that good stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and start talking about the new ES6 ES6 Blade, fully modified for Gamma and Stylecraft.
Water guns, like, down for some fun aggressive at y'all school. Talk about those kinds of things. Well, they're gonna get shot.
Now, I did put this on my saber trimmer, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. Like, the saber trimmer is probably my favorite trimmer as of right now. I know y'all been asking me a while, being Tank, what's your favorite trimmer? What's your go-to trimmer? And I think as of right now, out of all the tools that I've used in the past, 2-3 years, maybe even longer than that, right? I think that's my favorite trimmer as of right now, at least, right? So I did take the blade off, and the reason why I took the blade off of there, the original gold blade, is because I wanted to try this blade on a trimmer that I know is just set perfectly for me, right? My Stylecraft saber trimmer is it just works perfect. So I wanted to see if this blade was gonna do any better on this trimmer. Now, it is a thinner blade. I wish I had the actual blade with me. Once again, I do apologize for that. But y'all gonna see some clips of me using the blade in this video. But the blade is a little thinner and you can gap it a little closer without it irritating the skin. As far as use of it, it hits, but it doesn't at the same time. And I know you're probably thinking like, Tank, what exactly does that mean? So for me, when I was using it on like shorter hair, like anything that's like a 4 or a 3 and below, it seemed to line up really, really well. However, there was certain times like I was trying to line up some of the straggly hairs on the bottom of one of my clients' beard with it, and it just didn't work as good as the original saber blade. Now, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just saying for me, I think personally the original saber blade works better than the ES6 ES6 blade. That's just my opinion. However, it did bald out really well, and I feel that it got the hair down really short. And when it came to lining up shorter hair, like when I was doing like vertical bars on one of my clients, he had, I gave him a bald fade, so it was short on the vertical bar area, and it lined up well, lined up really, really well. And I don't know exactly why it lines up better for shorter hair. It says it's a deep tooth. Yeah, it says it's a deep tooth cutting blade on here, so it should line up longer hair well also, but for some reason it just didn't seem to do that for me. Now, once again, I'm not saying that this blade isn't a good blade. Maybe I got a bad blade. Maybe, I'm just not using it right. Maybe I should gap it a little more. But as of right now, me using it, I think it's okay. Like, it's an okay blade. It is a good blade. It's just not better than the original saber blade, at least in my opinion, right? Like that original saber blade for me, it just hits, man. Like I've had no issues with that blade whatsoever. It's always bought it out well and always lined up well. And this one, once again, the ES6 Blade from EverSince, I'm not saying it doesn't line up well, because it does, and y'all gonna see it in the video, but my personal preference is I just like the original blade on that trimmer a little more. Now, maybe if I put this blade on another trimmer that wasn't as good, that just didn't hit as good, that wasn't my favorite trimmer, maybe it would, you know, take that trimmer to the next level. But as far as on the saber trimmer, I think the blade that I have on there is the best blade that I can use on that trimmer. And once again, these are just my opinions. This is not, you know, I'm not trying to take shots at EverSince. I'm not trying to take shots at the blade. I'm not saying it's a bad blade, because it does work. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I understand sometimes when you get blades, not all of them are gonna be 100%. Like sometimes some blades work a little better than others, even if it's the same exact blade. So maybe I just got me a faulty blade, or a blade that wasn't set as well as other blades. I will say that it does get the job done. It does bought out well, does line up well, just not as good as the original blade. So I just wanted to touch on that and let y'all know about that. Now, I'm not sure if they're gonna have this on the Gamma website or the Stylecraft US website, or even on the EverSince website, because I just looked online and I can't seem to find this blade anywhere online for sale yet. So this is probably like a pre-drop. You know, they like to release it to some of us reviewers before stuff comes out. So maybe they were just, you know, wanting me to try this out, but I just wanted to share that with y'all and let y'all know what I thought about this blade. If you want to buy it, you can. I don't know what the price is going to be on this, but if you want to buy it, you can. Me personally, I'm probably going to revert back to the original blade just because I have that thing like hitting perfect. So that's just what I'm going to do. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Matter of fact, y'all seen the video, y'all seen me using the blade. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this blade down in the comment section. I want to see what y'all think about the use of this, right? Like, I want to hear someone else's opinion, right? And remember, guys, if you want to buy any tools from Stylecraft or Gamma, you can go to stylecraftus.com or gammaplusna.com. You can use my discount code TANK10 on both of those websites, or if you want to go to another place and purchase tools, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website as well, right? But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.